Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, in this question we are given that propane reacts with oxygen and it yields carbon dioxide and water vapors. We are having the mass of propane, oxygen and carbon dioxide in this manner. This is the balanced chemical equation of combustion of propane. Now we are asked to calculate the percentage yield of carbon dioxide. We are having the actual yield of carbon dioxide, that is 175 grams. First of all, we will calculate moles. That will be equal to mass over molar mass. We need to calculate moles of propane and moles of oxygen gas. We can substitute the values here. In this manner, now we can eliminate the common unit gram from here, and on solving this we are getting moles of propane equals to 1.65 mole and moles of oxygen equals to 7.03 mole. Now we need to identify the limiting reagent. Here we can see we are having propane, that is C3H8. Here we are having oxygen gas. We can see 1 mole of propane reacts with 5 moles of oxygen. We are having 1.65 moles of propane. It will react with 5 mole divided by 1 mole into 1.65 moles of oxygen gas. We can eliminate the mole unit in this manner, and on solving we are getting 8.25 moles of oxygen gas, but we are having 7.03 moles of oxygen. It means oxygen is the limiting reagent and the yield of carbon dioxide will depend upon the oxygen. Now here we can write O2 and here we can write CO2. According to stoichiometry of reaction, we can say 5 moles of O2 reacts to produce 3 moles of carbon dioxide. We are having 7.03 moles of O2. It will produce 3 mole divided by 5 mole into 7.03 moles of carbon dioxide. We can eliminate the mole unit in this manner, and on solving we are getting 4.22 moles of carbon dioxide. Now we need to calculate the theoretical mass of carbon dioxide, or we can say the theoretical yield of carbon dioxide. It will be equals to mole into molar mass. We can substitute the values here. In this manner, now we can eliminate some common unit, that is mole here, and on solving we are getting the theoretical yield of carbon dioxide or theoretical mass of carbon dioxide equals to 185.6 grams. Now we can say that the percentage yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. The actual yield we have is 175 grams divided by the theoretical yield, that is 185.6 grams into 100. On solving this we are getting the percentage yield of carbon dioxide equals to 94.2%. This is the answer. Hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.